After you apply that material, you can release traffic within 10 minutes. If you got a trench, in the street, you have to patch it right after you finish, your work in order to release traffic. Since we're facing the winter time, we can't be doing an asphalt patch. We have to have a way to do a patch in the street. That's why I like to use the Easy Street. You can use it at any time, any season, especially in winter. So that's why we prefer, this material. The other materials, doesn't hold and last that long like this one. So, this is a reliable material. So that's why, I would like to use it every time that I need to, If you need to get out of the street really fast, so this is the way to go. Just put it in, level it up and we'll roll it. Only takes, 10, 15 minutes and you're good to go. Thank you, Easy Street, for helping me out.